Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about DealMachine, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find vacant properties in DealMachine? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find a list of vacant homes in DealMachine anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing wholesale real estate, you know that vacant homes is a good list to go after. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your DealMachine dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I already pulled up my DealMachine account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find a list of vacant homes, first you're going to go ahead and choose a target area. So it could be a county, a zip code, a city. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and just choose this zip code right here. Okay, you can see that DealMachine says there's about 14,700 properties logged in this zip code. And to filter these by vacant homes, you're going to click over here on quick filters. Okay, so the cool thing is DealMachine already has this list built. So you're just going to scroll down until you see this right here, vacant homes. All right, once you click into there, you can see that they have 293 properties that have a high likelihood that they are vacant. So I personally wouldn't stop there. I would continue filtering out this list depending on what your target property is. So for me, I like to go after single family homes. So I'll click here on property type and I'll choose single family. And you can see that drops it down to 152 properties. And then also I'm usually going to filter out by price, because if my target group is 200,000 to 600,000, there's no sense in me looking at multi-million-dollar properties. So I'm going to click price. And I'm going to put maximum 600,000 as the estimated value and 200,000 as the minimum estimated value. So we're down to 105 properties. And I personally like to go after off-market properties. So I'll click here on more. Once you click on more, I'll usually scroll down to MLS information and I'll click on market status. And then I'm going to click on off-market and then scroll back up and confirm. Okay, you can see we have about 89 properties we're going after. So you can continue putting on more and more filters. So if you want higher equity or lower interest rates or higher interest rates, that's up to you. And then once you have set all those filters, you're going to see the list of properties that fit those parameters right here on the right. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to look for a list of vacant homes in your DealMachine account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.